Hello everybody, I am Edgar Sanchez, UX researcher and neuromarketer. The goal of this communication is to discuss a UX case, a violation of a very basic UX principle in LinkedIn, this well-known professional social networking online site. In the design of this communication, there is a strong spirit of constructive criticism, of positive feedback. Before discussing the business case, let's define the context or the framework for it. What is user experience? Many times referred as UX. User experience is about all aspects resulting from an interaction between a person and an object or product. The person is the user or the customer. The object or the product is the system, the software, the app, the gadget, the interface. But not only an object is a very new technology. Could be as well a button, a toggle, a knob, and in general, those objects we use, including a tax filing form or something you just read, watch, or see, like a packaging or instruction manual. All these are objects as well. Those with the users, with the customers, with the humans use and interact with. As a result of the interaction, that means manipulating, using, watching, or reading, there are perception, thoughts, emotions or feelings, decisions, and other actions. These are the particular aspects that results from the UX. There are four families of elements that drive a good UX experience. Easiness, that means that works well, not confusing, not frustrating. Second, effectiveness, it reaches the goal, satisfies the need. Third, efficiency or productivity, that means minimum resources are used, effort and time, basically. And fourth, happiness or pleasure, the positive emotions. After being established the framework, let's go to the UX case. This is the situation. I am in LinkedIn. I am in the messaging section. If I write a text, there is no possibility to delete it or correct it. You can see here the possible actions you can perform. First, attach an image. Second, attach a file. Third, add a GIF. Fourth, introduce an emoticon. And last, determine the way to send the text, typing return or clicking the button. So, no possibility to delete or change the message. It is a big problem. The solution is quite straightforward. Enable the possibility for performing those mentioned actions. In the online and social media worlds, others have this functionality, such as WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. In these two, it is possible to modify actions you have done, either because you change your mind or because of a mistake. Why this is important? What can we learn? To err is human. It's definitely part of human nature. People make mistakes. So, the UX principle is every system or object the humans interact with should be prepared for human mistakes. This means, on the one hand, prevent errors, and on the other, design elements that give the possibility to correct those errors, either to change the performed actions or even to delete them. In other words, always consider protection and management of human mistakes. Messaging section in LinkedIn violates this principle. It is not considering human error, and this provokes negative effects in the usability. Precisely, effectiveness. The user might not carry out successfully the task. In this case, effective transmission of a message. As well, this would produce bad feelings or emotions like frustration or anger. Don Norman, former Apple's vice president and one of the fathers of the UX, in his 2013 book, The Design of Everyday Things, points out the following ideas. Quote, when people err, change the system so that type of error will be reduced or eliminated. Quote, we must design our machines, or what I call the object, web apps, interfaces, etc., on the assumption that people will make errors. If there is a possibility of making a mistake, someone will. It is human nature. Error is human. Thus, there must be the possibility to reverse them. Thank you very much indeed for your attention. I am Edgar Sanchez. See you next time and take good care.